Hey there, creators! Welcome back to AI Crusaders, your ultimate hub for all things AI and content creation. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of Kling AI and exploring how Kling 1.6 completely dominates the AI video generation game. But first, check this out. Amazing, right? In this video, I'll show you how you can create videos just like these, break down the top features of Kling 1.6, and share my insider tips for mastering this powerful tool. So, buckle up, and let's get started. So, as you can see here, we have many options like text to video, image to video, and lip sync. Let's try the text to video feature. First, enter the prompt. At the top, you'll see various options. Select Kling 1.6 since it's the latest version. Now, in the settings, you'll notice we have different modes, standard mode and professional mode. It's preferable to use the professional mode because it generates higher quality videos. Next, we have the creativity slider. If you move the slider towards creativity, the AI will generate more imaginative results. If you move it towards relevancy, the output will align more closely with the prompt. It's best to keep it at the default value of 0.5 for balanced results. After that, we have the duration setting, where you can select either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then, there's the aspect ratio. Keep in mind that the number of generations cannot be adjusted in the free version. Next, we have camera movements, but unfortunately, this feature isn't available in version 1.6 yet. However, it's expected to be introduced soon. There's also the negative prompt option, where you can specify things you don't want in your video, like blur, distortion, or low quality. Once everything is set, hit generate. It may take a little time, so grab a cup of coffee and check back later. The generation process is still in the queue, so I'll enter some additional prompts for video creation and wait for them to finish. And here we go. Let me show you the results one by one. Alright, here's the output. Look at this one, the boy is flying a kite on a sunny, breezy day at the beach. Just look at this. Wow, it's incredible. Now, this one shows an ancient style man in the market. Just check out the expressions and the whole scene, it really captures the market atmosphere. Here, you can see the quality of the image. Look at the background, the flow of water in the river, the flowers, everything looks so real. Now, check this one where grandparents are teaching their granddaughter how to fish. And here's another one, a little boy feeding ducks by the edge of a calm pond. There's a bit of distortion towards the end, but keep in mind, these were very simple prompts. We didn't go into much detail when crafting them. Let's try some more complex prompts now, and I'll show you the results. Take a look at this one, this was created using a complex prompt. A vibrant jungle scene where a panda plays a guitar, and all the other animals are excited, jumping, and dancing in excitement. Just look at the jungle, the panda, and the other animals, everything looks so realistic. This new model leans more towards realism, and you can see that the expressions look incredibly natural. It's more like a stock image, definitely not very cinematic, but we didn't specify that in our prompt. As you can see, it followed the prompt very accurately. Now, check this one. Notice the incredibly fine details in the video, it's truly incredible. And that's a wrap on Kling AI 1.6. I hope you love those example videos, I'm still blown away by what this tool can do. Which feature are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share your own creations, I'd love to see what you come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and AI-powered inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating, stay inspired, and unleash your imagination with Kling AI.